Welcome to the Jet Experience. Today we're back at Universal for the first time in a little bit of time. We're really excited about Super Nintendo World updates. I've heard that there's a lot of changes you can see. They're getting close to the end and I'm really excited. I'm going to get on over there right now, which is actually right off my shoulder here, and check out what our updates are. Go check a couple different vantage points and see what we can see. So join us on this experience.
All right, so here's a new view that we've not looked at previously. Zoom in a little bit. Nice little overview. We can see things that we don't normally see. Like I see Peach's Castle. There's those piranha plants we've been seeing. I love this view of that wall that basically looks like the desert area. Of course, there's Bowser's Castle that we have been seeing. And that big white dome right in the middle there, that's going to be Toad's restaurant. Oh, I see a Goomba standing right there. And then there is the like end of world flag. Let's see what else we see. Of course, we're looking at the back side of the facade, so I don't actually know what that wall looks like because we don't have a good view for it. There's another view of what the restaurant's going to be, and then all the mystery blocks. I really like that area. Oh, I saw another Mario flag. And here's another view of Peach's Castle. Oh, and there's the tunnel. All right, with the Super Nintendo World sign, it's unveiled. Of course, there's walls all around it, so if we were down there, we can't see it, but it all looks really, really fun and exciting. I cannot wait to get in there. Oh, I see a POW block. Didn't see that one before. Oh, and there's a mushroom that's covered up right now, and then there's a 1-up. Possibly this will be a meet and greet over there. Alright, and here's the view from where we normally look on our little kind of landing area. Nice front view of the castle. There's a thwomp with another POW block. Again, I still can't see that wall, what that facade looks like. My guess is it's just more Mushroom Kingdom. Oh, and there is actually a flag on there. Okay, from this view I noticed the flag. And we'll come back over and kind of look at the pipe area. Oh, I see that 1-up much better from this view. Again, there's the mushroom covered. Oh, there's actually two 1-ups. Then there's the front of the world, and then there is the pipe. And oh, what is that? It looks like they're testing something in there, some lights or some projection or something. Alright, here's another view. Let's look at this for a second and see what it is. I wonder if it's supposed to be like what Mario sees as he's going through pipes.
Alright, so obviously they've made some big advances on the park, on the world, and we're super excited for it. I don't know when it's opening still, nobody does, but it looks like it's going to be real soon. So we're really excited for it. So I hope you like this video. If so, please give us that thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. As always, please be kind and be real. And join us on our next experience.